Experiencing difficulties with downloading on Facebook through your PC? Let's troubleshoot this issue together with these practical steps. First up, try restarting your device. Often, a simple restart can work wonders in resolving temporary glitches or conflicts that may be hindering your downloading process. Next, it's crucial to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to determine if the problem persists across different networks. Another important step is to verify if there are any pending device updates. Keeping your device's operating system up to date is essential, as outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with various applications, including Facebook. If you use a VPN or proxy service, consider temporarily disabling it. Sometimes these services can interfere with the functionality of apps like Facebook and disrupt the downloading process. Should the issue persist despite trying the above steps, don't hesitate to seek assistance from Facebook's official support channels. Their dedicated support team is equipped to provide further guidance and assistance in resolving complex issues. By following these troubleshooting steps diligently, you can address the Facebook downloading problem on your PC effectively and ensure a smoother experience while using the platform.